Welcome back to another video, guys. I took a buy trade of 1000 index using a simple market approach. So I'm sharing with you guys how I was able to buy this index, how I was able to predict the sales at this point. So first, I went to the higher time frame as always do. Whenever I want to look at for trade opportunities, I go to the higher time frame. It can be the weekly time frame, it can be the daily time frame, it can be the monthly time frame. But here I start from the monthly time frame. So you can tell that this index was in an uptrend at this point, creating higher highs and higher lows, right? We had a break of trend, basically would say that there was a break of trend at this zone, and we had our levels identified as well. How to identify this level of support, this key level of support, and this level of resistance at this point, right? And we had another block formation at this level. This is a bearish order block, basically. So I've been expecting price to push to this other block for the sales. We had the first attempt at this point. Price gave us a little push to this other block that gave us this sell to downside. We didn't really get a proper sell at this zone, but price still sold on a test of this level. So apparently I'm expecting more push to the upside to come test this level, which gave me the buy idea. So after spotting this structure on the monthly time frame, I went to the weekly time frame and saw that price is creating this higher low formation, which is a bullish structure, a bullish formation, right? Identify this market formation still, spotted the highs of this index on the weekly time frame, and so that price created a low formation at this point. There was a low at this zone and under low at this point, a higher low, and we got a high at this level, right? And another high at this zone, a higher high. So this is market structure basically on this index. Price pushing to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows. So coming to the daily time frame of this index, it's clearly seen that we had our levels, right? We had this level as a level of support. Let me use this to support it. We had this level as an important level, a level to watch out for, because you can tell that there was a reaction on this level in the past as a resistance. When we extend this thing, you can still see that we had market reaction on this level, right, in the past as a resistance. Price sold from here as a resistance, sold from as a resistance, sold from as a resistance. So this resistance level got broken, basically. Resistance broke, turned support. Because whenever resistance level is broken, it touched the support. So we got a break of this level, this little retest, then we got the buy to the upside. So on this buy to the upside, you can tell that price has been choppy for days now. Like, got these choppy moves, the buys, the sells, the buys, the sells. So on this massive buys we got at this point, we had this little sell, we had these sells that followed up, but these sells that followed up didn't give us a test of this bearish order block we identified on the monthly time frame. Let's not forget we had a bearish order block at this point. On the test of it at this zone, we got the sells to downside. So I'm expecting more push to this level, like a formation, a move of this kind, a move to this other block level. Then this would be like a reversal pattern formation, a head and shoulders pattern. The move to the downside a little bit, under move to the upside, now little move, then the sells to the downside, which would create the right shoulder formation. So I'm expecting a move to the upside in the coming days and hours on this index for the sells. The sells still expected, but this is a short-term buy expectations on this index. So identify this market structure, spotted the major levels and zones on this index. So how I got my entry point is I saw a formation at this point. I saw a level, right? I saw a level that matched up this bullish order block formation we got at this level. We had this level of support here that got broken. Then this is like a break and retest of this support level, because we didn't really get a retest on it as a resistance, like a retest of this support level at this point for the sales. We didn't get a retest on it, got a massive push to the upside that broke above it with this little retest on it, which is giving us the buys, and we have a bullish order block formation at this point. So this bullish order block formation is just like a catalyst that will give us this buys to this bearish order block identified on the monthly time frame. We had another block at this point, let's not forget. So I'm expecting the buys to this level. So in the coming days, months and weeks, we're likely to get boom 1000 index go bullish, right, for the buys. And I took my buy, on the on this formation. Basically, we had a reversal pattern formation on this bullish order block. Remember, we had a bullish order block formation which we identified on the daily time frame at this point, which price has tested basically. So I took my buys on the test of this order block on the 4-hour time frame, right? You can see that we got a reversal pattern formation. The first test on this level, we didn't really get the big buys to the upside. We got these little buys here, price pushed back to the downside. Some price pushing back to the downside, I knew that we are likely to get a reversal pattern formation and we got a double bottom formation at this point. We got the first lows here, sorry, and the second lows at this point. So I got into the trade on this 4 hour time frame candle closure. We had this bullish engulfing candle formation on the 4 hour time frame, this candlestick. So I took my buys with some couple of confirmations on the 1 hour time frame. So at this point, we had the neckline of this reversal pattern formation, this double bottom formation. We had the neckline at this point. So like if price can break and close above this neckline, I was waiting for the retest because we may not get the retest. So I waited for the break and close above this reversal pattern formation, and I took my buys. So I was like, if price can break and close above this pattern formation, I will take my buys on this index, which I did. So I took my buys on the break and close above this level. I can see I'm moving in good profits. I have my first TP level manually at this point. Basically, I had my first TP level at this point because in all these sales we got at this point, this is the only level we got a bullish candle formation. So price is likely to react on this level. My first TP level will be at this point. My second TP would be at this zone. That's the point at which price got to and reversed previously, like the other block points, the other block level, right? So that's my last TP level. So that was how I was able to take the buy trade on the 1000 index, working with market price action, identifying the market levels and zones. And I worked alongside with this trend. Since I saw price was bullish, I looked out for buy opportunities on this index. So that's it, guys. Smash the like button for more trade reviews, like and market analysis. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. To my Tony viewers, I appreciate the support. Please engage in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and love for you. Peace.